As you wake up and the morning light creeps into your room, your body starts to stir, and your digestive system begins to hum back to life, ready to tackle another day. That's when the gelatin trick can work its subtle magic, helping to kickstart your metabolism and get everything moving smoothly. Imagine a gentle warm-up for your insides, a soothing balm that helps drop that heavy, sluggish feeling that can cling to you after a night of sleep. My friend, I've seen people who have made the gelatin trick a daily habit, just a simple addition to their morning routine, and it's amazing how it can help set a positive tone for the rest of the day. The gelatin trick is all about using basic ingredients, like gelatin and water, to create a gentle, nourishing drink that's easy to incorporate into your daily life. By making the gelatin trick a part of your morning ritual, you can start to notice the differences it makes, from waking up without the bloat to having more energy throughout the day. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, check out the link in the description below for a detailed walkthrough. For a quick start, head to the pinned comment where I've shared a concise guide to get you going with the gelatin trick right away.